Hello, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. And this is a rear entry, manual ramp and door. I'll get right to the conversion. This is a brand new ATS conversion. The manual trunk latch, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. This ramp itself can be operated with two fingers, very easy. Undo the clamps. Same on the driver's side. It's got two handles, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger. I'm going to use the passenger one now. And look here, I can do this with one finger. This is spring assisted. I can take this ramp to the ground using only one finger. Very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. The ramp itself is 34 inches wide with an 800-pound weight capacity. Over 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van. 58 inches of headroom inside the van. This van is ADA compliant. You can use this for your home or your family or for your business. It does qualify. 8 different tie-down points. This van will hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Between the front 2 seats, there's about 21 inches of room. What a lot of our customers will do if they want more room is remove one seat. So give us a call, talk to us about your needs, your measurements, see how we can help you configure a van that meets your needs. It does have the rear air controls. It does have all the rear air vents, so your passengers in the rear will have plenty of air, stay nice and cool in the summertime. The dash is in wonderful shape, looks just about brand new. It does have the steering wheel controls, helps keep you or your driver's eyes on the road. Got the auxiliary plug up there. The dual climate control, driver can be one temperature, passenger can be a second temperature. The passengers in the rear can actually be a third temperature. So you've got the ability to have 3 different climates in this van. And when everyone's secured, come back out, reverse the process. Again, very easy to do. One finger, lift it right back up, latch it down. Shut the trunk lid, and you are ready to roll. So much more simple than the electric ramps and doors, so much less to go wrong, and so much more affordable, not only at the time of purchase, but also down the road. This van exterior is very clean. It's got the tinted windows, keep you nice and cool in the summertime, give you some privacy. It's got the Yokohama tires. I'm guessing these are all original tires, so these tires have about, I'm going to guess, 30,000 miles on them. I'm sure it's pretty accurate. You know, the body, we buy really clean stuff. I really can't hardly find a dent or a scratch in this thing. I'm not going to say it's perfect, but I'm going to say it's pretty darn close. Very clean van. We buy top quality stuff. I don't like dealing with headaches. I don't want to deal with floods. I don't want to deal with salvage. I don't want to deal with body damage. I want to deal with good, clean, quality vans we can put on the road, and our customers come back to us because they use us because they know we put good stuff on the road. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any unusual odors in this van. Overall, very clean. Current miles, 32,582. When I go to turn the vehicle on, all the dummy lights work. You see the current miles, 32,582. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6. This came with a 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty from Dodge. Idles smoothly, very clean, no signs of any water damage, no signs of anything unusual. It looks and runs exactly as it should. As I crawl underneath the van, the reason I do this is so you can see there is a little bit of surface rust under here. That's to be expected for, vans of this age. But I don't see any major rust. I don't see anything that's out of the ordinary. It's got some surface rust like a lot of 4-year-old vans are going to have. Go around to the side as well, so you can see underneath this van. Very clean and relatively rust-free, other than the surface rust I spoke of. Let's take the van out on the highway. I want you to listen to it run. And like I said, always get a video who you're buying from. So they won't go out and crawl on the ground and do this, and who you're buying from. And when you buy from us, you're buying from a company with an A+ rating with a Better Business Bureau. We've been in business 7.5 years. So let's get the van on the highway. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive. I want to show you we've looked over these. We've checked the power mirrors, power windows, power locks. Showing you everything works, radio works. I got the air conditioner on right now. I did notice a few small scratches on this mirror. I don't know if you can see them. Probably from someone scraping it with ice scraper or something like that. So not a big deal. But I just want to be honest with people. I want to let you know what I see on the van, because when you show up, I want you to say that's exactly, the van that Jeremiah was representing in the video. I don't want any surprises. So what I'll do is I'll get it out here on the highway. My goal is to get up to around 70 miles an hour. A little bit of traffic going on here today. You see the van has plenty of get up. We did hit 70. I'm going to back it off. It's just 60 through here. You see the steering wheel is straight. It's not bouncing back and forth. We've got a good tight front end, good tight suspension. Overall, it runs and drives real nice down the highway, about like a brand new van, it feels like. And I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. I need you to ask yourself, does company B, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have over 500 positive reviews on eBay and 0 negative reviews? Because we do. Do they offer free shipping to your front doorstep? Because we do. We own a small shipping company. I can ship these affordably. Do they have any hidden document fees, tag fees, administrative fees? You better ask them, because a lot of times these companies will try to have a good price, then they'll sneak in a full $100 fee or an $800 in fees or $1,200 in fees. That price doesn't look so nice anymore. I don't do business like that. I don't try to slip money in on the back end on people. That's not how we do things here. So I'm going to give the van a hard brake at the bottom of the exit here. You see no brake noise, no unusual vibration, no squeaking. So overall, I know the van's a few years old, but it runs and drives real nice, has a full tank of gas, and I'm confident if it's taken care of, this van will be great for you or your family, or your business for many, many years to come. So as always, please check us out online 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you're ever going to come in, please set an appointment with us. I know you're busy. I know your time is valuable. Call us, make an appointment, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Let us give you our time and get all your questions answered. And finally, if you're, say you're Kansas City, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Dallas, and you want to see this van before you decide to purchase, we can put it on a trailer. We can bring it to you. No, we cannot work for free, but we can work for a very reasonable price and bring it down to you and let you look before you buy. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.